I have for sale a mid-70s model Deutz D3006. I've had the tractor for approximately 20 years. It's a 2-cylinder diesel, 30 horsepower. It's got, the tires are like new. I put them on there in 2015. They don't have many hours. The clutch was rebuilt a few years ago, and so most everything works on it that I know of except for the parking brake. That's the most significant thing that's wrong with it, is the parking brake doesn't work. The lights work, the lift works good, it holds good pressure. So it's a good running tractor. I've used it primarily for pulling a bush hog and for using the grader box, which is shown here, but I'm not selling the box. It's just the tractor. I'm asking $3,500 for the tractor, and it's got homemade weights on the front. So I'm just going to demonstrate a couple things.